how to seal your furniture. Whether you've stained it or painted it, you can still seal it. The kind of sealer that I'll be using is a deft sealer. It's a clear wood finish, a satin lacquer. You can either brush it on or spray it on. I'm going to be spraying it through this spray gun to get a nice even finish. You can buy this in either quart cans, gallon cans, or in a spray can. Always be sure to use a respirator when using this. Once your paint or stain that you plan on sealing is dry, then it's time to either brush or spray on your sealer. With your respirator on, begin to spray or either brush on your finish. After you're done spraying on your coat of sealer, then you need to let it dry for probably 15 to 20 minutes with the depth. And something like polyurethane, you would need to let set for several hours before it was dry to the touch.